How I made $10,262 with my funded FX. I actually ended up breaking even for the whole month, but I was still able to secure a $10,000 payout with my funded FX. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the full strategy breakdown, literally using my to-do list and showing you transparently the whole to-do list being implemented and how to learn how to trade like my strategies and secure a payout just like me. So what's happening, guys? It's Dan Chung here, aka Champ. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how we made 10k with my funded FX. And what I do want to say is, yes, that seems like a great number or whatever it may be to you, but remember, it's you versus you and me versus me. Remember, whatever this is in terms of numbers, you were able to make more, you're able to make less, it doesn't matter. The most important thing it's about is this skill set. So without further ado, let's go onto the dashboard. Now, what's great about this is we can see a very nice linear curve going onto the upside, securing up to around the $10,000 mark and just getting the payout from there. So with around the $10,000 payout mark, after I've got to this payout, I ended up stopping trading the account and then moved on to trade my other 200k account. So I have 600k in total and I constantly trade 200k, rotate. This way it helps me secure profits. Also, if I'm in drawdown and I lose the account, I still have a live account to trade with, and it just helps me hedge the risk as an overall. Now from here, after the payout, we can see that we went into a very nasty drawdown period. I was not able to crawl out of this, and then I ended up proceeding to lose the account. Yet again, this is a great example just to kind of show you that it's great to kind of keep rotating these accounts. So moving on from this and the psychology and then the breakdown from here is to kind of go on to the overall mindset. So when it comes to your strategy, you have to have a clear-cut plan, and that's the thing with trading. Like, trading is so important just to understand the basics, and you just keep rinsing and repeating. Most of the strategies work 90% of the time. It's just down to the individual, like break and retest, support and resistance, supply and demand, ICT, SMC, whatever you want to call them, they all work. It's down to the individual to make them work. Now, some of the things you can do to make this work is what we've got is this program. Now, this program is what we have in our winner circle, which is available £99 a month if you guys want to join, which is less than a coffee. And what it is you have to do a to-do list. Now, that to-do list is having your strategy right up, understanding your strategy, what are the confluences and the tick boxes and you're looking for each entry and trade requirement, what is your trading mantra to help you stay on board and stay level headed during winning periods and also losing periods, what is the lifestyle routine and how to get this integrated, an overall flow chart to visualize your overall life and your trading approach, your edge one called TradeZilla or your trading journal as an overall, and then to do sample testing, daily report cards, and then how to continue winning. So I'm just going to go through these sections here from 4 to 9 to show you. Now I've got a previous one available to show you and then a current new one as well. So the previous one here, we can see the current flow chart that I had. I was looking at trading more London sessions. I was looking at one idea, 3 tries maximum with a 4-hour confluence and 30 minutes in favor, wide open space, and then look for 70 pip plus moves and then just try and catch me in the middle. Then I'm looking for no trades within those 20 minutes, yellow and red moving averages in favor, and then no major support or resistance in the favor of my take profit. So you can see that I've clearly defined my confluences, I have my tick boxes, and I've identified what I need to look on a trading basis. I wait for these confirmations. I have an entry requirement of a first leg to help me with direction, and then just look for the continuation from there. I always look to secure something. Back then it was 2.5R, now it's always 2R. I found that in my trading, the further I've got in my trading, the more lower and lower my risk to reward has been. Sometimes it used to be 10R, 5R, now 2R. I'd rather have a higher win rate of a 2R or 3R and just consistently keep compounding my profits from there. Compound your 2R, which you can see I wrote from there. Don't forget to check out the link in the description with WChampFX for 15% off your challenge. No time limit, and there is obviously your payouts within 24 hours. I actually requested my payout 2 hours ago. I got it straight away, so that's pretty quick. You can trade straight away after your payout as well, and there's a link in the description, so go and check out your challenges. I've got some great success reminders, a trading strategy right down here, which you can see from part 4. So part 4 and part 8 and part 5 are all within that flow chart. I then go down to talk about my visual visualization, talking about how many withdrawals I've got, the A+ setups to visualize them, one good trade at a time, constantly sharing updates on charts and breakdowns of trades that I like to have to see, and then what would the millionaire Dan do and how to kind of take it from there. And then a great idea is to constantly visualize money for money. So if I'm risking 1 to 2R, I know that I'm risking for $1,000 for $2,000. Then I know I just need to win 5 trades to make $10,000. Or if I have a 10 trade 50% winning and losing streak, that means on 5 trades I lose $5,000, and then on 5 winning trades I make $10,000, averaging a total of $5,000. So I make 10, I lose 5, overall $5,000. So that's still great. If I can do $5,000 in a week, that is more than enough. You know, that's 20,000 in a month, and then that's 240 in a year. Averagely, that is not too bad. And I've made another video on how I made $6,000 with FTMO, so go check out that video as well after you finish watching this one. So that is a great breakdown. If you want to get involved with the Winner Circle, it's only £99 a month, and it helps you really refine yourself. And we have a whole Discord and accountability and help you create this strategy from myself and my students. And my students was able to make over 40k in less than 3 months. We've got funded traders left, right and center. So if you do want to jump on that, it is a long process, but it's worth it, and the skill is yours forever. Moving on from that, we also have the current one as well. So I actually have all the strategies and breakdown and confluences, and I've redone it. One thing I now need to do is I need to do more reps. So it's like practice. The more reps you get in, the more practice you get in, and the more you're able to see and identify the better trade setups and avoid making the mistakes and try to find those A+ day in and day out. So moving on from those reps, I actually have this daily report card. Now this daily report card is something that I'm trying to stay more consistent on for sure, because it's definitely something that I don't review enough, and that's just lack of time and also a lack of priority. Like I say, time is one thing, but priority is actually more important, because we all have 24 hours. It's just what are we doing with those 24 hours? Maybe we have other things that are more important. Right now my family takes up majority of my time, so I've got 2 kids, my wife and whatnot, and realistically I only have a short window in the morning and the daytime to be able to get all the work done, whereas I used to work from day, morning, have family, small family time, and then also work throughout the night as well. But as I'm getting older, I can't really work as late through the night. So on this daily report cards, we have all our trading sessions. You've got the pre-market analysis, your outcomes, your session analysis, and you can see I'm just breaking all of these down. And as I'm breaking all of these down as well, this is what we get everyone to do. We get everyone to kind of completely keep up to date with their journals, their breakdowns, their reviews, and we help review them on a webinar basis. And we can see Hwai here right now with his daily report card showing what is his goal for the day. He's just adjusted his report card a tiny bit as well, and just to really help him learn and earn. So if you want to get involved, link in the description to jump onto our trading course and our program. We do have a boot camp which is coming up in February next year. A lot of you guys have asked me to teach one-to-one, and I only do them now twice a year, and they are more and more expensive each year because the influx and the demand of them is a lot higher. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was informative to help you guys learn and earn. If you want to see more of these types of videos, let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Champ out. Peace.